Hello and what's up guys, welcome back to NPL Technical. Today in this video we're going to talk about the problems users have faced in Snapchat. That is, whenever they record a snap, the sound option does not work and we are not able to hear any audio. After you have followed the instruction I have given you in this video, your problem will be 100% fixed. So without any further delay, let's dive into the video. So the first thing that you have to do is open the Snapchat app in your phone. Then you have to click on the profile icon that you see in the top left region of your screen. After that, you have to click on the settings button on the top right corner of your screen. Once you have clicked on settings, you will be able to see an option that says notifications, on which you have to click. Then after that, you have to make sure that all the options are checked from the notifications list. Now the next thing that you have to do is go back to your home screen and hold your Snapchat icon for a while, after which you will get a list of options to choose from. From the list of options, you have to click on an option that looks like the letter I. After that, you will get to see an interface with an option that says permission, on which you have to click. Once you have done that, you have to make sure you have given permission to every individual option that you see on the screen. So now, after this final step that we just did, you can go back and record any snap in your app and check if the sound is working or not. And that is all for today guys. I will see you in the next video.
Hopefully this video helped you to fix your issue. Make sure you subscribe our channel so that you could enjoy the trustworthy and well-researched video on tech-related issue. Have a great day guys. Bye bye.